wonderful land of Truckopolis, our 7 friends are rushing to school.
Woo! Woo! Yeah!
The trucks are very excited today because they're learning all about the months of the year. The first month is January. We begin this month by celebrating the new year.
Yay! Yippee! Oops!
The second month of the year is February, when we celebrate our loved ones on Valentine's Day.
Aww.
The third month is March, when we celebrate St. Patrick's Day. If you follow a rainbow all the way to the end, you might find a leprechaun spot of gold.
Woohoo!
That one is just a picture, Boom Boom.
Oh.
The fourth month is April. April brings in spring.
Yes!
April is often very rainy. But as the old saying goes, April showers bring May flowers. Because May, the 5th month, is usually sunny and warm.
Uh-oh!
The 6th month of the year is June. June is often the start of summer vacation
Yeah! Woohoo!
and fun-filled days on the beach.
Huh? Uh-oh!
Well, June days are fun as long as you're not being chased by bees. The 7th month is July, when many people celebrate Independence Day.
Yay!
We celebrate with flags and barbecues and
Uh-oh! Oops!
the 8th month is August, the hottest month of the year. In August, young monster trucks run the risk of overheating, unless they have plenty of fans.
Whoa!
September is the 9th month of the year. In September, monster trucks get to go back to school and learn so many wonderful things.
Yahoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
The 10th month of the year is October. October is the spookiest month because it brings us all the scares of Halloween.
Yeah!
But it also brings lots of candy.
Yahoo!
November is the 11th month. It brings us the Thanksgiving feast of yams and cranberry sauce and turkey.
Yeah!
That's not a turkey, Boom Boom.
Huh?
It's a chicken. And it is definitely not cooked. The 12th and final month of the year is December. December brings snow and winter games and lots of holidays.
Ta-da! Whoa! Uh-oh!
And then the months start all over again. Try to say them with me this time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Every month of the year is so exciting. Almost as exciting as learning.
Yeah!
Come back next time, won't you? You know the months of the year now, but you never know what we'll learn next.